Oh, hey, oh. Okay, let's go. Okay, I play too much. Alright, everyone. Hello. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching me, welcome back. My name is Mckay Rizzy. Alright, I'm here for your beauty, lifestyle, and fashion ideas. Okay, today, I play too much. Today we're gonna be reviewing a lip kit from Ifeba. What's up? Okay, so it's a lip trio. I already unpackaged it, or I already unboxed it. I wish I waited so I could have done that online. Well, I could have done it on video for y'all to see. Okay, so it's a lip trio kit that I got from her. It's supposed to make your lips pinker. So to prevent my lips from getting dark, I have to take care of my lips. To prevent my lips from getting pinker, I had to buy that to take care of my lips, okay? So I'm just gonna show you guys what it came with. It came with a thank you card, okay? And it says, Karen, thanks, love, Ifeba. I love it. Her handwriting is so cute. You're welcome, Ifeba. It comes with a business card. She's a makeup artist. So if you're in Houston, Texas, and you want to get your makeup done, you should try Ifeba. Then it comes with an instruction which I will read. And for the whole month of August, if you buy, I think if you buy a lip treatment from her, whatever it is, even if it's just one, everyone gets a gift. I think everyone gets a face mask. So it's a good thing for you to purchase. And that was it. It pretty much came in this packaging. So cute. And the other packaging, the only thing I actually didn't like about it was that it was so hard for me to cut off. If you see, I had to use scissors. I think normally you're just supposed to like open it up and it opens, but that didn't happen. And the lip scrub kind of spilled a little bit. That's the only thing. Also, when it came, she actually has to use like a sellotape to sellotape it. So this was good. The lip balm was good because this is the lip treatment. This is the lip balm. It was good. It was just a lip scrub. It was just a lip scrub that spilled a little bit. Oh, just a little bit. It's nothing to worry about. Okay, so I'm gonna read the instructions. So this is the lip trio directions, right? So for the scrub, this is the scrub. You're gonna exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, right? So I'm gonna do it on camera for you. All right, guys, let's get this lip pink. We want it pink, right? Okay. Set to do that for 20 to 30 seconds. I just did that in my head 20 to 30 seconds later. I have a damp paper towel here already. I just need it to wipe my lips. And then I'm gonna use the other side to dry my lips. You can use whatever you have. If you have like small white towel, you can use that. Whatever you have, you can use that, okay? Whatever you have, just use it. Doesn't have to be paper towel. I don't know if you can see, you can see like the sugar, the sugar scrub right there, okay? And next, so that's to exfoliate, right? So next you have to treat your lips with the tinted lip treatment. This is a tinted lip treatment. I love the packaging, it's so cute. I love the gold. It's so pretty. So it says apply generous amounts of the treatment on your lips after scrubbing, which I just did. You'll notice a pale pink color. Don't fret. Just rub your lips in to allow the treatment to absorb into your lips. Once it's darker, you're ready to go. By the way, I forgot to mention, yo, that lip scrub smells so heavily and so yummy. Like I just want to eat it, like, but I can't because obviously it's not edible. So don't go around eating your lip scrub. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit, like that much, and apply. There you go. Oh, it's so pink. So I'm just gonna leave this. I'm just gonna come close a little bit so y'all can see. Just have to leave it on for like until you notice a darker shade, and then once you see a darker shade, you're good to go. But I'm just gonna let it stay, and then when I notice that, I'm going to apply the lip balm. By the way, this smells so good. So like, can you all see it's so pink, and it smells like bubblegum. It's so soft. The only thing I noticed when I applied this is that I don't know if you know, if you guys have ever tried, you know, the lip plumper. If you ever tried the lip plumper, I noticed the stinging feeling, the sting you feel. I noticed that, you know, with the lip treatment. But with the lip scrub, my lips felt softer and, you know, more subtle. So let's see. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple of seconds. But my lips are already looking so pink. And I think if you don't have the lip balm, you're good to go, like she said. But if you have the lip balm, you can definitely apply lip balm after the lip treatment. So I'm gonna give this a try for a month, okay? I'm gonna give this a try for a whole month, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna take a before picture of my lips, and I'm also gonna take a big after picture of my lips so you guys can see the difference. But if y'all are following Ife, if y'all don't know about Ife Bob, go follow her right now on Instagram, Ife Bob, and make sure you follow her business page, which is Shop Ife. Okay, now that I feel like it has dried and I feel like it has absorbed, I actually feel it has absorbed into my lips, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lip balm. Ah, it's giving more like a reddish, reddish orangey color. Ooh, my lips look yummy. Yummy. I already feel great. I could just go like this. My lips are done. I don't need to put on no lipstick. Alright, I love it. I love it so far. Like, I'm sure you guys, I'll definitely put up the front and after picture like I said. But I'm sure you guys already saw the difference. Like, my lips already like was just dull and like just not looking yummy. But now I'm sure everybody wants to kiss me. I play too much, but I love it. I love it. I love it. And everything is actually organic. It's 100% organic. So I think everyone should give this a try if you're trying to get pinker lips or if you just want to like splurge. But I think it's worth a try. Okay. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. All right. And make sure you subscribe and like and share my video. All right. Love y'all. Until next time. Bye.